Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting Jammu and Kashmir today. He will flag off the Katra-Delhi train in Jammu and Kashmir with the opening of the Katra-Udhampur rail link. The spiritual destination of Vaishno Devi will also be accessible by train to devotees. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah will be at the venue of the Katra for the train flag off. Narendra Modi will leave for Srinagar and will address troops in Badami Bagh cantonment. The valley-based separatists have given a strike call against the Prime Minister's visit.
कि काफ़ी संख्या में तीर्थयात्री वैष्णो देवी श्राइन के लिए आते हैं, मंदिर के लिए आते हैं, तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि ट्रैफिक अच्छा जनरेट होगा, इसमें अच्छी डिमांड रहेगी और जैसे जैसे डिमांड होगी और हमारी ऑपरेशनल फिजिबिलिटी होती जाएगी, हम ट्रेनें चलाते भी जाएंगे.
Well, let's go across to Zafar for more. Zafar, an important rail link there being inaugurated by the Prime Minister. Tell us about his program.
Well, that's right. He'll be reaching here, Katra, in a short while from now. This is the place where he will inaugurate the train link between Katra and Udhampur. Quite a significant train link in the sense that it will be an alternate path for Vaishno Devi Yatris who are coming here in thousands each day. So obviously this is seen as a very important step here, and also an engineering marvel in the sense that this train link has been constructed with the help of tunnels and bridges through valleys and through mountainous tracks, and now he'll be inaugurating that train link here in a short while from now, and afterwards he'll be going to Srinagar, where he will be meeting with senior police officers and the army officers to discuss about the security situation in the state. We're told by our sources that the ceasefire violation and the infiltration attempts would be the focus of discussion, and later he'll go to Uri, where he will inaugurate a power project. Obviously that's again an important step. So all in all, the focus will be on development and security, not much on the political mission of Narendra Modi regarding Jammu and Kashmir. He had been all along in his election campaign saying that Kashmir issue must be resolved within the ambit of Insaniyat, Jamhuriyat and Kashmiriyat. But now it will be a bit clear how exactly he's going to take it on forward from here. We're getting different feelers after the government came to power. First it was about the Article 370, its revocation, and then about the changing of the name of POK to POJK. But now there will be more clarity on that. Separatists have given a Bandh call, and also there are tight security arrangements in place here in Jammu as well as in the valley. Gargi.
All right, Zafar, thanks so much for joining us with that.